All right, guys, what is up? It's been a long while. Life's been kind of busy. I went to New York, and then I went to Japan, and then I moved into a new space. So it's been a long time being away, and then also setting up the area, and yeah, in a new spot, and a lot of things to tell you. So in this video, we're kind of just gonna go over what's new and the whole setup over here. So let me finish setting everything up and then we can get into the video. All right, so that's a little better. Got a little bit cleaned up over there, hung some stuff up. So yeah, new space. I moved to a new home, so the new area is nice, but let's go ahead and start kind of showcasing the place. Right now where I'm sitting at is my little product showcase area. And it's a little desk area that I can actually move around. I don't have wheels on the bottom of it, at least not yet. I may put wheels, so I can easily move it around, but right now dragging it across the floor isn't too bad. So I can have it in this space right here, have, this backdrop, which for the most part, this is probably where it will be. So this spot right here, again, I can move it over to the middle section and have my main desk area as the backdrop, which can be nice. I do need to get a little bit more lighting in the room right now. Right now, I got like no lighting. The lighting that I'm getting is from the window, which is right in front of me. And then I have this cheapy dinky ring light right now that's also shining down. That's what I got so far. Definitely need a bit more to satisfy this whole setup. Behind me is my model kit station. My hobby is to build Gundam model kits. And I have a huge backlog of them, and so there I got a standing desk. I'm really excited to kind of implement that in my workflow. I got the IKEA pegboard, which holds a lot of my tools, so my clippers, X-Acto knives, sanding sticks, glossing sticks, as well as one of my favorite little things that my wife got me. It is this Godzilla lamp, and you may recognize it from any other past videos that I've had it in, but this one is going right there. And then I have my equipment shelf right here. Not exactly a rhyme or reason to where I have things, but the bottom two shelves are basically my backpacks and my bags, sling bags, all that good stuff. The third tier is kind of just charging other useful devices, monitors, lights, selfie sticks, all that stuff, tripods. The tier above that, the fourth tier, I got my microphones, mics, my DJI kits, my Peter Lindgren tri-charge. That thing's a beast. I love the tri-charge. Up top, I got some lenses and lens boxes, and is it safe to have lenses at the very top? Probably not, but as long as no one bumps into it, we're fine, we're good. And then obviously in the middle is the main desk, the main workstation. I got the acoustic wall panels, and this came over from my last setup. And then on the sides, I have these really old wall scrolls. Obviously, they're very Chinese influenced. I got these back in San Francisco, Chinatown. I believe I got them back in the year like 1998, 99. So I was very young when we got these. If you haven't been to San Francisco, Chinatown, it is something else. I've done plenty of vlogs there, and I love it each time I go back. That being said, I don't want to live there. I just like visiting Chinatown. It's a really cool place, fun time. Definitely good for vacations, and I assume probably not good for living. But yeah, moving down to the main desk setup, I just have this cheap dinky 4K monitor from Scepter, 27 inches, and for the most part, it gets the job done. And then I got the Razer speakers. I think they're the version 2 of these speakers. I can't remember the exact name of the speakers themselves, but I just know they're the version 2s, and they're pretty good. I have my little dinky light up penguin, which is also very nice. And then I have a desk stand right here, and it houses some cables, and it houses the docking station, which this docking station is very useful. I have a review about it on the channel. You can click to see that, but it's extremely useful, very helpful. Speeds are very nice. And then I just have a cheap Logitech keyboard, and I have the older Logitech Master MX2. And then obviously to the right here is my M4 MacBook Pro. I believe I have the 24 gigabytes of RAM. And then here is the little Master Chief holder I got. I think you can get this from like Target or Walmart or something like that. It holds your phone or anything else, or your controller. It's meant for your controller, but it can also hold your phone. And then over to the left, I have this nice notes reminder. My wife wrote on it a couple years ago. Before she was my wife, and I have not erased the message on it since. And then obviously some greenery for the place. And I also have this little incense holder. Every now and then I'll put in a little incense in there, light it up, and kind of just let it burn. But it's cool, tranquil, and the scents that I got smell pretty good. Something also cool that I added was this little curtain right here. I got it when I was in Japan, and something about it just caught my eye. Put a Shiba on it, and so I just had to have it. I have a Shiba myself, so I had to get one for my boy. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the whole setup. It's still a work in progress. Eventually I want to add more lights in here, obviously to get some good lighting, to make the place look spectacular. This whole setup right here needs to be figured out. I have an overhead camera right here. But yeah, guys, that's the setup. I hope to be pumping out more videos soon. It's been a journey, but I have so many videos in my backlog that I need to get to, not only for this channel, but for my other main channel, my travel channel. I got so much I need to go through, because again, I was recently just in New York, and then I went back to Japan. But more lifestyle content coming to this channel, and more tech and gear coming to this channel as well. I did obtain 2 new cameras within the past few months as well. These are new for me. They've been out for a little while now though, but I got the Action 6, which I got before the New York trip, and I got the Osmo Pocket 4, which, funny story, I got in Japan because I thought I lost my Action 6. So funny story there, and I'll tell you that later. But with that, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.